Hey everyone, welcome to another video. So today's video we are going to be doing a pink Valentine's nail set, and I actually did a red Valentine's nail set last week, so make sure to check that video out if you're interested. And I'm sorry if my voice sounds a little weird throughout this video. I have been sick for the past few days. So I'm starting out with putting a Beetles base coat on all of my nails and then cure that. I'm not going to say cure every time I actually cure something, but just know, like, most likely usually after I put a coat of something, I'll cure it, unless I otherwise say I don't. I thought I would just show you guys this really fast. So before I paint a nail set, I usually like to plan it out. I know I'm not the best drawer at all. You guys probably can't even tell what any of this is, but I just plan out each nail and then I kind of change it along the way sometimes, but it's just kind of a rough draft of kind of my ideas. So starting out with my thumb, I'm just putting one coat of this Born Pretty Jelly Gel Polish. It's kind of a light pink color. I'm going to be using glitter on this nail, and I only want it to stick on a certain area of the nail, and you'll see what I mean in a little bit. But I decided to put a matte top coat on the nail so that the area that I don't want glitter on, it'll be a lot easier to get the glitter off than if I didn't put a top coat at all, or if I put a shiny coat, the glitter sticks more easily to that. So now what I'm doing is I'm just drawing a outline of a heart, and I'm pretty good at the ones where you just do the two dots with a dotting tool, but this one, for some reason, I just had trouble drawing an outline of a heart. I haven't really done it before, so I think I just need more practice. But now I'm just filling in the outside of the heart. This time I did not cure the gel polish because I'm going to be using it as a glue for the glitter I'm putting on it. So I just got a 1/8 teaspoon because I didn't have anything else really, and I'm just throwing the glitter on, then tapping it off. Then I brushed off the excess glitter and then used a shiny top coat over everything. For the index finger, I'm going to be painting half of the nail light pink and then the other half dark pink, and I'm going to be using these Beetles gel liners. I'm going to be doing a little bit of nail stamping on this nail, so I'm using this Beauty white nail stamping polish, and I actually did a review on the Beauty stamping polish a few videos ago, so make sure to go check that out if you're interested. So I'm just using this nail stamping plate with 3 hearts and then just putting it on the nail stamping plate, scraping it, and then putting it on the nail. For the middle finger, I'm going to be starting out with this Beetles white gel polish. Then with this dark pink, I'm going to be writing Love, L-O on the top, and then V-E on the bottom. The ring finger is going to be the same as the thumb, so I'm using the Born Pretty gel polish, then putting a matte top coat over it. Now I'm drawing my heart, and I feel like this heart turned out so much better than the last one. It just looks a lot better. I still feel like I need more practice on my hearts though. And finally for the pinky, it'll be the same as the index finger, so I'm just going to be doing the light pink on one side and then the dark pink on the other side. And then I'll be doing the same nail stamp. And now I'm just cleaning up my nail stamping plate and my scraper with acetone, and then I'm using tape to take off the excess nail polish from the jelly stamper. And we are done. Here's what all of the nails look like all together. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great Valentine's Day. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in another video. Bye!